Just 5 GB or something.
Yeah. So input it into here.
Yes. It should work
Okay,
now.
that looks good. That looks good.
Yes. Is it working right?
Yeah, that seems a lot quicker.
Oh, maybe it's already done, right?
That's it. It's done. I
Oh
think
my
that
God.
was it. So
It's super fast.
we tried,
Let's try with 10 GB.
let's try a big one. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Where's the folder? Drop it
You
into.
can find it. Click the Finder. No,
Yep.
no, 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 not there, not there. Click Finder app from your Mac. Yeah,
There.
this one. Yeah, this one.
Uh, all right. Let's see how big we can go.
Okay,
27.
27 GB. Yes. Okay, it's working maybe. It's
I
from
think.
LAN 3. Yes.
Yeah. I think that
Yes.
looks good.
We did it.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
High
It's way
five.
quicker.
High five.
Yeah.
Oh, it's super fast now.
Yeah. That's great. That's what I need
Okay.
because this would take
Okay.
so much longer.